People, I want address the one Nuffy. Because I notice Nuffy, I play with my name like Nuffy feel like say him have me ticket or him have something over me or something. Nuffy, I last one in me gear, you know. I last one in me gear. What do you ever turn blender show? You dip on Footahype, Aishan and name and I try style it and I skin your teeth. Me not take neat disrespect as joke, here. Now, me see every interview you get now, you chat about Footahype, traumatize and I lose it and like you style it neatly, Nuffy. Let me tell you something. A years now, me have something where can crush you in the youth. And me say, no, me not do it. Ask the barber. Zine, a years now, me have something where me can crush you. And me say, no. Make him go and live. And me laugh off your little neat disrespect them. True, you kiss cartel ass and frighten for Gaza. You try style me. The next time, you utter me name in a way when me feel like you style me, me I go post me thing them and rub out your career. Remember, the Gaza slogan say, it a tape, no man pan the Gaza no rape. Remember, the Gaza slogan say, it a tape, no man pan the Gaza no rape. Let me repeat myself. Nuffy, remember, the Gaza slogan say, it a tape, no man pan the Gaza no rape. Nuffy, remember the name ya? From over Portmore, Miss Patsy Lee. Remember the name ya, Nuffy? Cause you like you forgot to say Portmore am a place. Uno ban over there but Portmore am a place. Remember, Miss Patsy Lee. I have to spell it out today now. Cause me I give you a chance. A years me have these things and me not say nothing. Me tell you now all the while say sometime when I ramp with me cause I don't know what me have, you know. I don't know what kind of information me hold, you know. My youth, don't mention my name with Aisha and a disrespectful manner again. Else me I go at real war, you cannot win. Me have too much information, you cannot win. Just remember the name here. Miss Patsy Lee. Okay? Just remember that. And me have the video with Miss Patsy Lee. Remember, Footahype my name. Me not normal in my youth. Don't play with me nothing. Stop ramp with me. Stop call up my name in some way like you feel like you can style me my youth. Me not play hypocrite for too long in my youth. Don't ramp with me, yeah? Just ask the barber if I lie, me I tell you, yeah? If me not have that video, yeah, oh, long. And I say, you know, say, me nah, do it. Cause I'm have him career and him thing. And me not even think, say, your wife know about that story. Stop ramping me, my youth. Stop ramping me. See? You take a joke too far now, nothing. You take up things from my head where you have to take up. Stop ramping me, my youth. Me ain't a size, you know. You not a ticket for me, you know. Cause me not a ticket at all. So stop ramping me. See? Alright. First thing every day on the jump up, Aishana. Why Aishana only have one baby father? Why she not breed again? Why she not have more picnic? Because every man will pick her up. Them a do what me nah do. Mouth water can't bring son or daughter. That's why me a uncle baby father. Every man else will go there mouth water thing them a deal with. So how no go on like no want style me. After me the uncle man do the right thing. Every man else go there do the wrong thing. And I'm you know try style. And me stamp the engine, you know. Whether she like it or Uno like it or anybody like it or not. And me are the uncle man stamp the engine. So now try style me thing. Bumbuckler do no. You know, get too much now, man. Lock off on the mouth, man. Suck on the mama, man. Bumbuckler do no. Me start this one for real. Remember me? Blood clot how me fi breed that woman now not try style me. And the whole of the friend them will go there. I be a name them go name and drink piss. And she shitting on the face and pissing on the face. Suck on the mother. I want to know. And me want stamp the engine. Pussy. A cocky breed girl, not mouth. You know see me get youth after. Me get youth before or after. Everything when I jump up or rare. Suck on the mother. You hear that? Straight. And anyhow you call me name again in a way when me not like, me just post that video. Cause me spot silly still traumatized, you know. Don't make nothing know what you do, yeah? Don't ramp with me, me ain't a size my you. You run back a cartel, them and I move like you're an idiot. Just do that without try style me thing. Cause me with this you know, wicked. I'm in a response. Alright? Don't play me. Anyway, the war is on. The war is on. Yo, 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 yo. The war is on. Everybody want to be the king. Everybody want to have the crown. Yo, 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 yo. Me I say to you now. When vybzkaryel sing him song wa there, everybody say, oh, Cartel now have no time for vybzkaryel and vybzkaryel a small artist and rare. BEENIEMAN and a small artist. BEENIEMAN and a small artist. vybzkartel can't say him not answer BEENIEMAN because BEENIEMAN a small artist. No. This you have to answer vybzkartel. You can't Sean Storm all know him not answer vybzkaryel. Cartel, you can't ignore BEENIEMAN. BEENIEMAN a style wicked. BEENIEMAN, Cartel put up a Gucci shoes. And BEENIEMAN put old Gucci shoes in the back of the Maserati. I show BEENIEMAN a show you say, what that you hyping away with show down in the back of here? Ha ha. Da da dee. Da da da. Da da dee. Da da da. I like it. Me like it. That warrior look good. Beenie versus vybzkartel, me like it. Me want the warrior. Me want the warrior. Me want the warrior. Me want the warrior. That Beenie Cartel warrior go sweet. Cartel me no want hear no excuse cause you have voice song. So you have voice, you can voice song. And you, hey, me tell you no, hey. You see some of them journalists, yeah. Them don't know nothing about the artists, them and music, you know. Me tell them already, say, you see, Bounty Killer and BEENIEMAN, don't trouble them. When you trouble them, prepare for war till thy kingdom come. Prepare for war till thy kingdom come. Them nah allow you. First thing, when Killer and Beenie are warrior, you can't bring no badness in it. No physical thing in it. Cause Killer them and BEENIEMAN them know every bad man in the world and help every bad man in the world already. And have bad people around them. So who you have around your bad too, it no make a difference. And how Beenie and Bounty them work, anywhere you there sing them a come. Any rhythm you depend them a go pan. You understand? Anywhere. Anywhere. So right now, at the right war this. And Sean Storm, me hear you on Freedom Street I say, any boy violate the Gaza, you go for them. All know you not go for the brat. All know you not voice no song for the brat. You understand? All know you not go for the brat. And the brat a whistle bullet over Gaza, what you say? Gaza fans, you know go so you know go man and mind me this you know man. You tell me about businessman. Every man a businessman. What you mean? Bo Carter a businessman, you know. Every artist a businessman. Are the idiot excuse you wanna come find now? Are them idiot excuse you wanna come find? Bo Carter a businessman. Carter a businessman for a long time. Carter have liquor club, everything for a long time. So wanna come tell me about businessman. Them being in a businessman too. The main source of business is the DJ. Music are the main source of business. Everything else come after. A war! Bumbucklad. No excuse me no want hear. No excuse me no want hear. You hear that? From a war, a war. You understand? Deva better fire shot like rascal. Yo, Deva brat, you need to link me. Me need the MP3 them for the song them. No coward business about business. Everybody a do business. Everybody a do business long time. You understand what I say? Who been here call Humpty Dumpty? Cartel him a call Humpty Dumpty. Who wanna ask? You know a cartel being here attack? Big up on the hill. Why you not ask who BEENIEMAN a call Humpty Dumpty? You don't know a cartel BEENIEMAN attack. Remember BEENIEMAN them were different, you know. Bounty Killer and BEENIEMAN them were different. Them man a call name and talk directly. Well, I not joke something Beanie them depending, you know. What do you mean by low blow with sickness? What do you mean? What do you mean? Gaza fans, let me not understand. When cartel are war people, cartel the business, cartel say fuck my father mother upon the Gaza and never care. All when we beg still we blue, him never business. That is somebody mother that's sensitive. So now come talk about low blow, being talk about sickness. What you mean? Anything goes in a war, where you come from? So you want to have sympathy when somebody a clad cartel, but when cartel are clad people, you don't have a problem. Gaza fans, you make the sport kinda boring. You make the sport what I'm doing. What I'm doing. Someone that talk about cartel I see money and happiness. Nothing no bigger than the music. Nothing no bigger than the music. Nothing no bigger than the music. If a war, we want a war, cartel of war. Him not say my king. No king status him want. No king status him want. So you have to fight for it? Yeah, you have to fight for it. Remember, mine a yellow man me have as the king, you know. But them a war for the king. So what you tell me say? If you want the kingship, you have to war for it. So what you tell me say? I want to know. Cartel clash Beanie right now, Beanie clash cartel have bigger money and more business and more sponsorship and more endorsement, more everything. All if cartel I look about US visa that not stop clash from going. That not stop clash from going. I want to know. War. Oh, all of me not understand what I do. Me not understand. Who know say cartel are the biggest, baddest, greatest, this, that. one of the greatest attack him now. I wanna find be an excuse. I want the blood clot. And what kind of badness you not deal with? What kind of badness you not? What kind of excuse badness this you not do? What me not understand now. What kind of bubble double business you not going with? Cartel say him the baddest thing. And him say a fee him tune and man I try to take him tune and Beanie show him say I'm me the man. So Beanie drop tune, Cartel have to drop tune and tune have to fly. I want tune. I want recuperate and stop nothing. Cartel a voice song. Cartel a voice song. Cartel in a studio. So when I tell me say, Gaza fans you know weak. I want you so coward. You know act like the toughest thing. As look a competition come, remember, I want to say, oh, Devil Brat, not on the DJ level. Remember, I never said, DJ enough to clash Devil Brat. And I said, Devil Brat, not on him level. Beanie, on him level even more. So, we not talk about, me like the people, them, where boy drop, we answer fast. We answer fast. Me like how Beanie a deal with it. Cartel, you can't run from this, you know. You cannot run from this, my lad. You cannot run from this. You understand? This clash is need. Right now, Isaiah Leng. See if we can keep one sting in February, you know. Being in allow him. Me don't know if them people you know understand. A real madman Cartel around. Remember Cartel used to play Beanie, you know. Cartel know how Beanie stay, you know. Beanie not done. Beanie not done, you know. So Cartel should not drop no word because Beanie not done. Don't ramp with BEENIEMAN and Bounty Killer if you not plan figure all out. Them not done. Them man know if you done. Them man follow you up everywhere. Everywhere. I could have a Portmore on the Gaza. Beanie pull up over there. Exactly. If Cartel want the crown, him have to work for it. You can't get dancehall kings, brother, and so king get him thrown. And so pass and get him gone. You must be mad. Beanie them not play. That you see on youngin, on not understand dancehall thing and why Beanie and Bounty them so great. Them man they have business. Alright, to Bounty and Beanie them love dancehall and love road. When war go on them man in sleep, them can't sleep in them yard. All of them going, them tormented. You know much time we come off a road when we are going to reach at Oakland. I have to spend 4 or 5 hours at Oakland a reason. Killer now go sleep. And by the time we say later DJ and him gone in. 8, 9 o'clock, killer them on the road again. Lyrics are busting at them man head. Them man they want to buck up anybody where my war anywhere. What they must know? Cartel know where my do. Cartel know a Beanie my ramp with. Beanie them not sleep, Beanie them mad. BEENIEMAN them tormented by dancehall. Them put a spell on BEENIEMAN and Bounty Killer. Them man, you must know. Ha, ha. You must know who name BEENIEMAN and Bounty Blood Clot Killer. You must know them man the dog. Them Cartel have to stand up to wait the word them way mature when it come to BEENIEMAN and Bounty Killer. You mad? You crazy? Who no live in a loo? Beenie and killer them not do that nowadays warrior like where massacre them and alka them and the nowadays artists them do. Them man do them something. I true be a word and no one vice pan ready man. If you work for him, me not work for him. And also Beenie them work. Beenie them I go for he said with him where you go pan. See? And Beenie them I address you accordingly. Them man are brawling. Exactly, Raz. Beenie them warrior a joke thing. And then nowadays new millennium warrior where man a true be a word and go on like girl. I'm afraid to go up and see him show where you're depend. Right now, if Beenie there at Jamaica, when Freedom Street are going, a Panda State the warrior are going, and fight broke fight a broken people. You don't know. You must not know this to blood clot. You must not know this. Yo, to all killer and Beenie them love war. And dance all them and the war for free. How the blood clot? Them and they pull up on your show can war for free. You never know. So I don't remember when Bunty and Beenie war and follow the arrow keep. At any show, Bunty kill a bodyguard, a lion show that. You not see Beenie left White River Reggae Bash. Where him come from. Detour left in whole entourage. Him and God alone go over follow the arrow. Big fight go and chuck in a chest. You don't know. You don't need to learn about dancer. You don't need to learn about dancer. Bunty killer and BEENIEMAN them not sleep when war are going. Them man they have people in the road that look for you anywhere you're there. If a man ever call him and say, you know, say, I don't know Westmoreland cartel I perform tonight, at fastest them man they ready. And jump in a car. The man they even wait for entourage. While him a drive him a call I say, yo, Westmoreland the boy they perform, we are going down there now. Meet me on the highway. No joke. No joke. Beenie them have wandering spirit. Yeah, Beenie them a war and Beenie them know how him reach a show. Beenie worse. Beenie will get up and alright. When you think I joke me make? Cartel will wake up a morning and say BEENIEMAN out time gate. Cartel will wake up a morning and say BEENIEMAN out time gate. When he might drive out a Beenie him say. I say, yeah. Where you say clash now, right here, sir. Me I tell you that. When Killer and Beenie are along, I see you. Beenie gonna check me Stevie. So Cartel knows say I'm not play thing when they drop out from Beenie. Them man not do not drop out thing better. So him know where him take up. He can't follow them nowadays artists when him show two word off and them afraid and go lock up in a corner. No. Beenie them not believe in that. Killer them not believe in that. You throw word off of me pussy, me know me attack. Problem. And I come like I saw me grow to. Through me grow in the area there, you're not going to throw no word off a Footahype and me know me attack. And me come back and throw word like, girl, no, me going to call your name. Man, them they not play thing. So cartel, you have to do the right thing. And chance time, any you not answer, never rap, me going to start this year. You see how me always a speak on your behalf? Any you not answer, never rap chance time, me going to this year, dog. Because you make tough chats, say any man attack Gaza. So the bomb buckler, you not answer, never rap. Oh, you not answer, never rap. And never better fire so much shot over there, this year your boss. I want to hear, Sean. Answer now. Or if you not answer, Look at the little vibes have to answer. Somebody have to answer. Somebody have to answer. Somebody have to answer the vibe. So you are saying you defend Gaza right true. And you not answer not when shut a fire. So a bluff or not a bluff. It's a bluffing thing I go on. Somebody said those guys left them belly of prison. Yo, people, not easy. You know. Brother, we not business if you man on a match for devil brother or nothing. Nothing beat a trial but a failure. Yes, me hear him on Freedom Street. I say any man ramp with the Gaza. Uh, uh, him a defend it. So, oh no, devil brother you have 3 songs. And all know chance time no answer 1. My youth, remember say Popcorn respect Gaza, but Popcorn and a Gaza. Popcorn are unruly. Chance time now have no brand, no gang, no nothing. He must steal Gaza. Remember Javinci say out clear. Vanessa Bling a do a own a thing. Everybody branch off long time. A chance time still under the Gaza banner. A him have to answer. Chance time need to answer. Him need to answer. And any him no answer me, I this him every day me turn on my life. Cause the strength where you have for foot and run go sing song. Pussy go answer devil bro. Bumble wall. Me notice the whole on quick for answer me. But when you can't answer real enemy. So you know me and a DJ, me not go sing no song. Pussy go answer devil bro. The man a call you Shana and them something. Go answer bumbuck like devil bro. You go on like say you're tough when you talk about Footahype. When you drop out on Footahype, you talk tough. And I chat all kind of thing, bro. Chat too much already. Never say you're Shana. Never say you're a batty boy. Never say beating boy and your boss. And you are live with that or you're not a defender. Build a career for yourself now. War with Devil and build your own brand. War with Devil and build your own brand. Get couple hit song out of the war. Make a man out of yourself. Foota you have strength for. We Foota an artist. But you can't answer Devil all now. We say alright. Freedom Street a come a problem none time. Pussy. Freedom Street done long time. Bumble shant time. You're weak like 7 days. Answer Devil bro. I no give no man no bad man chat. Cause sit down. So you're a bad man for Footahype. Where's a little selector and a little vlogger? A blogger who wanna call me. But you can't answer DJ. You know say you're weak. There's a weak jellyback punk. Pussy wall. And this you have to answer. Go answer Devil bro. You're going like you're a bad man when you talk about Footahype. And Devil talk and you shrivel up and curl up on the cartel doghouse. How if you rate you? How if you rate you? How if you rate you? Can't rate your Sean Stam. Man I call you Sean and you not answer. Man I say you're a batty boy and you can't answer. Man I say you name out crutches and you can't answer. But you want answer Footahype. We Footahype and an artist. Oh, you can't answer Deva. If you don't answer Deva, every day me turn on this me at this year. Cause me a bad man for real. You're not a bad boy. You're artist. Artist work you figure do. Artist you figure clash. See artist they fear clash. Platform they don't know if you make your name. But me have strength. For go answer Deva Brad. Pussy. I want to you. weak. And Cartel, them all say yes, Cartel not for answer the ever call. Him and him not up on the same level. See why I come for Cartel there too? See Beanie ready for him there. Ocean flavor, big up. You buy a badge, big up. See? See Beenie Man ready for Cartel them. I don't want you no excuse. I want you to say Cartel like baddest thing, so I want him ready for it. Me have him as one of the baddest thing too in a dance hall. But now at the time, you think you get no true and just so? Cause really and truly to me, you are the prince. You are the prince. The prince where you are gay, skilly bang, and you are the prince. Cause Yellow Man is the king. And if we are going to do king ratings, Beanie would have more mileage as a king than you. And if we are talking about king in a DJ thing, Killer are the king then. For him impact and him influence and him help and everything and just him dominance. But if we are going to measure accomplishment and regions and places, Beenie Man a king over here. If that are the case, you will be the prince. But me not think none of the name king. Because Yellow Man is already the king. You understand? So Beenie Man the doctor, Cartel the teacher, Bounty Killer the ground god. You understand? You get what I say? So if you want the status then of Cartel, you have to, you Beenie have to, somebody say want about status, then well on. So an impact. Cartel biggest impact since him come from jail now. Cartel been big, but when you talk about impact, what you talk about? Remember saying I said stadium where you talk about now. A Beanie get the biggest boo in there, in the Ramadan. That show the one night. When Mandela come at Jamaica, the stadium did full to capacity, on the grass and everywhere, and Beenie Man get the biggest boo in there, so I'm bossing. So what I say? So what I say? What am I saying? Bro, make we talk. Because sometimes I talk, when I say my bias. The region them where Beenie Man dominate, Cartel has never seen. One not talk about king thing, one not talk about just in a Jamaica, Kingston, Miami, New York, and some part of England. That one not talk? Me I try wonder one not talk about Street King or one know some place that vybzkartel don't even go to places where busy signal go. And I thought this span the little Gaza youth, something I want to think of Joe. Cartel there can answer for himself. Busy signal, do more region than vybzkartel in a greater ways. We project. Say Cartel are going to pull some massive crowd in some place. No, that's him come from prison. But he has not done it. So you can't give a man king for something we him not do yet. Where the regions where Cartel go, me go more region than Cartel. You understand what I say? Come on, bro. Like, when we say king thing, we have to stop thinking on a little corner mind. Beenie Man, go some places where Cartel never see. None at all. So one attack say, somebody say, yes, he was locked up. Cartel never locked up in a jail while I'm life. Cartel was a top flight DJ before him got jail. And Cartel had a US visa before. And even when he had those things, he was never even bigger than a busy signal. And that's something that we can prove. So when I say, Cartel had a US visa, you know? Uno Gaza fans will probably not know. Cartel did have US visa. Cartel who was a top flight DJ, and when him go Europe, him have to work earlier, busy close the show them. So one attack say, someone who don't know nothing about even no own artist, who just chat. You know how long BEENIEMAN them a tear down the whole world? You know, alright. You know what Elephant Man do to the world? Much less a BEENIEMAN. Let me ask you something. You know what Elephant Man do to the world? Much less one BEENIEMAN. Cartel did out, Cartel did have Visa, Cartel did have big song and everything. You ever see Cartel from BET? Before him got prison? Movado go BET, Baby Sham, Bounty Killer, BEENIEMAN, Elephant Man. Cartel was still there at the time. Cartel have whole hit song at the time. Why? Why? Why him never depend it? Why? You know how we speak factual things? Prisoners done a great, immense amount of good for Cartel. You know? It's a horrible situation saying that they are prison, but prison help make Cartel humongous. So when we are talking about King, brother, we have to talk about on a 360 level. We can't just talk about some little round the corner nowadays picnic level and a sucking thing up. And then me not downplay Cartel in the R, downplay him greatness, but we have to speak on facts. Even when Movado them a tear down BET, Cartel they even appear upon BET. So what I say, me not understand what I say. Talk facts to me, no man. No, but even if Cartel win the Grammy, it would have been deserving to him go through and come back and everything. But me I say, until these things happen, he never do it yet. Cartel has not done the things that you are saying he's a king for yet. Bounty them the Super Bowl, top of the pops, all kind of different accolades. Killer them a Moonman Award, all kind of sitting, Grammy certification, there are so many things. Sell gold how much time with Swiss Beats, Junior Gang them, Wycliffe them, so many things. We wanna talk about, man? We have to call a spade a spade. Cartel is a great artist. We have whole heap more work to do. Forget King status, whole heap of more work to do. Whole heap of work him have to do, bro. Whole heap of work, whole heap. That's why I tell you, say that King thing, yeah, a fuckery. That King thing, yeah, them a war for a fuckery, bro. It don't even make sense. It don't even make sense. Somebody gonna say, yeah, Cartel sell gold and him sell silver. When? Since him they are jail. Which is a great accomplishment. Now take that from him. That's a great accomplishment. But the prison thing help Cartel name to be bigger and everything. So prison was a blessing in disguise for Cartel. You understand what I'm saying? So come on, bro. Come on. If he want that king thing, he have to prove it. Him have to prove it. Him have to prove it. Him have to take on BEENIEMAN. Him have to dethrone BEENIEMAN. Because for me, as I'm telling you already, me, a yellow man of the king. You understand? Yellow man is the king. Me not think Beanie for a fight for the king. I mean, I think Cartel for a fight for the king. I mean, hate the Fox a King and name him album King of Kingston. I thought that all the while. But if the king war go on, let's see it. Let's have it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Cartel cannot run from this war. And talk when I deal with money, Cartel has always been dealing with money. Cartel is a man where have money in deal with. You understand? So people, me I wait for Sean Storm song to answer Deborah Brat, and me I wait for Bumbleclad Cartel to answer BEENIEMAN. No coward thing, no chattings, no excuses. War!